In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to HubSpot in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step together to ensure a smooth and easy integration. This will enable you to track and analyze your website's performance metrics, all from within your HubSpot account. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Google Analytics by visiting the Analytics Tools and Solutions page for your business. This is your first step toward gathering essential user data and insights. Once there, look for the Sign into Analytics button. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics homepage, which is where you manage all your analytics data. This homepage is a valuable hub. It gives you an overview of your site's performance, user behavior, and much more. From the homepage, navigate to the settings by clicking on the settings icon or option. This is where most of your analytics configuration and adjustments are managed. After clicking into settings, look for the section labeled data collection and modification. This might sound a bit technical, but this is where you manage how data is collected from your website. Next, within this section, you will find an option called data streams. Click on it. A data stream represents the flow of analytics data from your website to Google Analytics. And setting this up properly is crucial for accurate data tracking. This is where you'll find your website's measurement ID. Keep this ID handy because it's what connects Google Analytics to HubSpot. The measurement ID is a unique identifier that allows HubSpot to pull analytics data from your Google Analytics account. Copy the measurement ID from the data stream section. With this ID, you're ready to set up the integration in HubSpot. Now let's switch gears to your HubSpot account. Once there, you'll want to add the Google Analytics 4 tracking code, which you have just copied. This is done typically through HubSpot settings under the tracking code setup. Paste your measurement ID into the appropriate field. This step links your Google Analytics account to HubSpot, allowing the two platforms to communicate. Once you've added the tracking code, congratulations, you've connected Google Analytics to HubSpot. This integration allows you to capture and utilize data more effectively, giving you clearer insights into your website's traffic and user behaviors. Connecting these two platforms empowers your marketing efforts, facilitating data-driven decision-making. This streamlined data flow means that you'll have more reliable information at your fingertips, keeping your marketing strategies informed and effective. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Now you're all set to leverage the powerful insights from Google Analytics right within your HubSpot platform.